see it there, and it looks like you're crying. Girl, just know I'm here till the day that I'm dying. Ain't nothing to fear, I'm the one you can lean on me, girl, lean on me.
So baby, turn around and let me show ya how we supposed to really be. I'll be your shoulder. They say love gets old and played out when you're older. Lean on me cause that's how it is supposed to be. And you point at me saying I'm the reason that you cried. Baby, turn around, do you always gotta cry? But every time I ask you all them tears you denied, and you throw your fist, turn around, say KY. But hey, I guess it's my job to put you back. I know that's your plan and I'm fine with that. Simplicity's my thing and you make it complex. But what's really love when you always know what's next? Exactly, sometimes I hate the way you acting. That's why my voice shake when it comes to asking if you really love me when I already know the answer. I missed ya, really wanna kiss ya. Sorry if I'm random.
Girl, I see it there, and it looks like you're crying. Girl, just know I'm here till the day that I'm dying. Ain't nothing to fear, I'm the one you can lean on me, girl, lean on me.
Relationships complicated, so some say that it's better to be single, but it's like you're way too hard to resist. What the problem is, we got our walls built high, but we can get through this. Just take your mood down mellow, and I promise we can settle. When you got me running right back from just a step ahead, love. What's love without pain? What's me without you? What's pain without love? Yeah, I guess that works too. When you make it improve, let me lace my shoes, and we can take on the world, yeah, us too. You're my girl, you're allowed to be stuck on me. Open with 25A company. So come a little closer so I can wipe the tears. So come a little closer, make sure you can hear. All I'm asking for is for you to put your guard down. We've been through a lot, so it's all good now.
Ooh, girl, I see it there, and it looks like you're crying. Girl, just know I'm here till the day that I'm dying. Ain't nothing to fear, I'm the one you can lean on me, girl, lean on me. If you can call me, oh, if you can reach me, girl, I won't be too far, no. You gotta understand that this is that real love right here.
Baby, I ain't come here to play games. What are we doing now? Sound kinda lame. Trying to make you feel comfortable, you just push me away. Dang, I guess our love just ain't the same. Ooh, I feel that little tingle when we touch, and it's just something that I can't get enough. To be for real, just come to me, no problem. Or you can say fuck them and just drop them. Girl, please can you let me in your gate? And if you don't, you won't see the same tape. I'm wiping these tears away from your face, just telling you everything is gonna be okay. I just told you I love you, I meant it. And if you don't believe me, it's damage. I wrote this for you, where are my props? Come to me, girl, you all that I got.
Ooh, girl, I see it there, and it looks like you're crying. Girl, just know I'm here till the day that I'm dying. Ain't nothing to fear, I'm the one you can lean on me, girl.